Hey everybody, Miss Tap here, and I am going to show you guys how to remotely take over a student's computer. Life changer, game changer here, y'all. Please meet Miss Russell. She is one of my wonderful teammates. She volunteered to help out so we could show you guys how to do this. So there's two ways. First one is the student or my participant is going to share their screen and then they're going to give me control of it. So that's your first way. So let's go ahead and try that, Miss Russell. She's going to share her screen. And then she's going to give me control. And I'll show you guys what that looks like from the teacher side. So give control on the student. She gave me control. And now you can see that my cursor has the ability to move and control on her computer. So it puts your picture right next to your cursor. And she has one as well. So we could both kind of work and interact together. So that's the first way this works, is the student gives control. Okay. So the second way, if you'll stop sharing for me, Miss Russell, is I can take control. So she will start sharing her screen. And then you'll see it comes up on mine where I can request control. So I've requested, all she has to do is click allow. And there I am again. I have the ability to control her computer. I can select different apps. You have full control here. Now, what's important to notice is you want to make sure your students don't have anything pulled up that you don't want to see. Of course, we'll always want to censor them first. But the second thing that's really important to note, if your student is not using the app version, this will not work. So you want to make sure that your students are using the app version. If they're clicking open with browser, you will not have the ability to take control. So good luck, guys. I really hope this helps. It has changed my life when it comes to map testing. So good luck. Hope that helps.